Hello, and welcome to the English Listening Lab. My name is Johan. I am very happy you are here with me today. Today is a special day because we are talking about a very important topic. We are talking about believing in yourself. This is the most important thing for your life and for learning English. Before we start, I have a small favor to ask. Please subscribe to this channel right now. Click the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you help us make more free lessons for you. You will not miss our future episodes about believing in yourself and learning English. Thank you for subscribing. Now, let's begin our lesson about confidence and belief. Believing in yourself means you know you are a good person. It means you know you can do things. Imagine you have a fire inside your heart. This fire is your belief. When the fire is strong, you feel warm and happy. You feel strong. You can walk into a room and feel good. You do not worry about what other people think. You know who you are. This is very important for beginners. When you learn English, you might feel scared. You might think your English is bad. But if you believe in yourself, you know you will get better. You know that today you know one word, and tomorrow you will know two words. It is a feeling of trust. You trust yourself. You are your own best friend. This makes everything in life easier and much more fun. Why is believing in yourself so important? Think about a car. A car needs gas to move. If the car has no gas, it stays in the same place. It cannot go to new places. Your belief is like the gas for the car. If you do not believe in yourself, you do not try new things. You stay in your house. You do not speak to new people. You do not try to get a new job. This is sad because you have many talents. You can do many great things, but you need the gas to move. When you believe in yourself, you start moving. You try to speak English. You say hello to a stranger. You apply for a better job. You move forward in your life. This is why belief is the most important tool you have. Many people are afraid to make mistakes. They think mistakes are bad. But I want to tell you something important. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are how we learn. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls down many times. The baby does not cry and stop. The baby stands up again. The baby believes it can walk. You must be like the baby. When you speak English, you will make mistakes. You will say the wrong word. This is okay. Do not be sad. Believe in yourself. Tell yourself that mistakes are part of the process. If you believe in yourself, you will laugh at your mistakes. You will not feel small. You will feel brave. Every mistake is a step up a mountain. You are climbing to the top. Keep climbing and do not look down with fear. Fear is a big wall. It stops us from going where we want to go. Fear says you cannot do it. Fear says you are not smart enough. But believing in yourself breaks the wall. It breaks the fear. How do you stop the fear? You must listen to your own voice. Inside your head, there is a voice. Sometimes the voice says negative things. It says you are weak. You must change this voice. You must teach your voice to say positive things. When you wake up, look in the mirror. Say to yourself, I am strong. Say to yourself, I can do this. Say to yourself, I am learning every day. When you change your voice, you change your feeling. The fear becomes small. Your belief becomes big. Let us talk about small steps. You cannot climb a big mountain in 1 minute. It takes a long time. It takes many small steps. Believing in yourself does not mean you are perfect today. It means you keep taking small steps. Today, you learn 5 new English words. That is a small step. It is a good step. Tomorrow, you listen to this podcast again. That is another small step. You must be happy with your small steps. Do not look at the top of the mountain and feel sad. Look at your feet. Look at the step you take today. Celebrate your small wins. Did you understand this sentence? Good. Be happy. You are doing it. This happiness builds your belief. It makes your fire burn brighter. Small steps lead to big dreams. Friends and family are also important. Sometimes we need help to believe in ourselves. Good friends say nice things to you. They tell you that you are doing a good job. You should be with people who make you feel good. If you have a friend who says you are bad, that is not good. You need positive people. But the most important person is you. Sometimes you are alone. When you are alone, you must be your own support. You must clap your hands for yourself. Imagine you are your own coach. A coach says, "Run faster. You can do it." Be that coach for yourself. When you feel tired, tell yourself to keep going. When you feel sad, give yourself a hug. Your relationship with yourself is forever. Make it a good relationship. Comparison is a problem for many people. We look at other people on the telephone. We see them on social media. They look perfect. They speak perfect English. They have nice cars. We feel bad. We think we are not good. This destroys your belief. You must stop comparing yourself to others. You are not them. You are you. You have your own story. You have your own speed. Maybe you learn slow. That is okay. Maybe you learned fast. That is also okay. Your journey is special. When you look at others, just say, "Good for them." Then look back at your own work. Focus on your paper. Focus on your life. Comparing makes you weak. Focusing on yourself makes you strong. Believe in your own unique path. Action helps you believe. You cannot just sit on a chair and think. You must do things. When you do something difficult, you feel proud. Think about a time you did something hard. Maybe you cooked a big dinner. Maybe you helped a friend move a heavy table. How did you feel after? You felt strong. You felt capable. You need to do difficult things to build belief. Try to speak English with a real person. It is scary. It is hard, but do it. After you finish, you will feel amazing. You will think, "Wow, I did it. I can do it again." Action creates confidence. Sitting creates fear. So stand up and take action today. Even a small action is better than no action. Patience is very important. Trees do not grow in one day. Flowers do not bloom in 1 minute. Good things take time. Building belief takes time. Some days you will feel very confident. You will feel like a superhero. Other days, you will feel sad. You will feel weak. This is normal. Do not give up on the bad days. The bad days are just clouds. The sun is still there behind the clouds. Be patient with yourself. Do not be angry if you forget a word. Do not be angry if you feel shy. Just wait. Breathe. Try again tomorrow. If you are patient, you give yourself space to grow. You are like a garden. Water yourself with kindness. Give yourself time. You will grow into something beautiful. Your body helps your mind. This is a secret. If you sit with your head down, you feel sad. If you stand tall, you feel strong. Try it now. Stand up or sit up straight. Put your shoulders back. Lift your head up. Smile. Do you feel different? Your body tells your brain how to feel. When you want to believe in yourself, use your body. Walk fast. Speak with a loud voice. Look people in the eyes. When you act confident, you start to feel confident. It is like magic. Even if you are scared, act brave. Your brain will believe you are brave. Use your body to change your mind. It is a simple tool, but it is very powerful. Let us talk about your goals. A goal is something you want to do. Maybe you want to speak fluent English. Maybe you want to travel to London or New York. Goals give you direction. When you have a goal, you have a reason to believe. Write your goals on a paper. Put the paper on your wall. Look at it every day. Say, I will do this. When you see your goal, you remember why you are working hard. It helps you when you are tired. It pulls you forward. But make sure your goal is possible. Do not say, I will speak perfect English tomorrow. That is impossible. Say, I will learn 10 words this week. That is possible. Achieving goals makes your belief very strong. Gratitude is also part of belief. Gratitude means saying thank you. Be thankful for what you have. Be thankful for your brain. Be thankful that you can hear this podcast. When you are thankful, you focus on the good things. You do not focus on what you do not have. You focus on your strengths. I can read. I can listen. I can speak a little. These are great gifts. Many people cannot do these things. You are lucky. When you feel lucky, you feel confident. You feel that the world is good to you. This helps you believe that good things will happen. Start every day by saying thank you for 3 things. It will change your mind. It will make you feel rich inside. Visualization is a big word, but it is simple. It means using your imagination. Close your eyes. See yourself speaking English. See yourself smiling. See people listening to you. See yourself being successful. When you imagine success, your brain thinks it is real. Athletes do this. They imagine winning the race before they run. You can do this too. Before you go to a meeting or a class, imagine it going well. Imagine you are calm. Imagine you are happy. This prepares your brain. It makes you ready. It builds a picture of belief in your mind. The more you imagine it, the more you believe it. Your imagination is a powerful factory. Finally, remember that you are never finished. Believing in yourself is a practice. You do it every day, like brushing your teeth. You don't brush your teeth one time and stop. You do it every morning. You must believe in yourself every morning. Some days it is hard work. Some days it is easy work. But you must keep doing it. English Listening Lab is here to help you. We believe in you. I, Johan, believe in you. I know you can learn English. I know you can reach your dreams. You have everything you need inside you right now. You just need to trust it. Keep listening. Keep practicing. Keep believing. Thank you so much for listening to this long episode about believing in yourself. I hope you feel stronger now. I hope you feel ready to learn more English. Remember, the fire is inside you. Let it burn bright. Please, if you liked this episode, subscribe to our channel. It is very important. Click the bell icon so you know when we have a new lesson. Also, share this with your friends who are learning English. Follow us on all our social media platforms to see short videos and tips. We want to see you succeed. Until next time, keep believing in yourself and keep practicing your English.